I was not really expecting to be back in this particular situation. I am excited. I am a little nervous. I am a little apprehensive, I guess. But here we are. I am in front of my old camper van that I lived in for a year and a half over COVID, and before that traveling around doing my living in a van down by the river. Just come back to that. So I am here. It was in the possession of a family member for a while, and it needs a little bit of loving. So I am back at cleaning this up. It's not 100% decided what the plan is, but it needs some work. It either needs to find a new home or become mine for a little bit, which that idea gets me really excited again. Living in a van is exciting. It is also very, it is a very not conscious, it's a very present way of living. It's very intentional, that's the word, intentional way of living. And I think I need to get back to that. I have been spending a tremendous amount of time on my business. Way too much energy, way too much focus all in. I haven't gone hiking or fishing or communing in 3 years. I did get a master's degree in that process, basically in the pursuit of this business and the finances of that, but way too much. And I have sacrificed a lot, including my living situation currently, which is less than ideal. And so trying to figure that out, I've been having a really tough time kind of focusing on what I'm doing in my current situation. And so I think it is time to find something different. And not just that, it is time to get back to something more important than just doing this business, because I have been working on this business for like 3 years, and a big part of this is my new entrepreneurial business model, which is supposed to be prioritizing a lifestyle over your business. Your lifestyle should revolve around your business should revolve around your lifestyle and not the other way around. And that is what I am trying to accomplish, and I cannot say I've been doing a particularly good job at that. So here I am, hitting record again for the first time in a while, out and about with a camera and not lighting, and doing fun stuff, and with alternative living. So this may very possibly be my next living situation and office and my next adventure, because I have got to get out there. I got to start living again. I can do my business remotely. We've made a lot of progress. There's still a lot to go, but this is where we're at. So guys, gonna kind of show you what the cleanup process is gonna look like and go from there. All right, stay tuned.